Hello students, let us solve this problem from TFIR 2010. So in this question, they have given you the common emitter characteristics for a NPN transistor, and they're saying that the drop across this forward bias PN junction is 0.7 volt. And if we apply V input equals to 2 volt, then what will be the output at this terminal? So this is a simple question. So you know that if here your voltage is your 2 volt and here voltage drop is 0.7 volt, so the voltage drop across the 65 kilo ohm will be your 1.3 volt. And if I calculate the current here IB, that will be 2 minus 0.7 divided by 65 kilo ohm, so that gives me 20 microampere. Now I want to find how much current is flowing here. The current flowing here is IC. So for IB equal to 20 microampere, your IC is 10 milliampere. So you can directly find IC value here, or you can find the beta from this characteristics. You can find the beta value IC divided by IB. So now the beta is 500, IC is your 10 milliampere, and now 10 milliampere current is flowing here across the RL. So we can find the drop across the RL. So this VCC minus across drop, remaining will be the V output. So V output will be 15 minus this drop across RL, and this gives you the answer 10 volt. So 10 volt is your option D. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.